if alpha and beta are different complex numbers with modulus of beta is equal to 1, then evaluate modulus for beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha times beta. Now what we are going to use? We are going to use a property here. Now, using property is equal to z complex number with conjugate of a complex number. Now, upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha and beta whole square is equal to beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha times beta and beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha and beta and whole of its conjugate. Okay. So, this becomes beta minus alpha on 1 minus conjugate of alpha beta with conjugate of beta conjugate of alpha upon 1 minus then conjugate of beta. Now, this becomes beta minus alpha upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha beta and 1 minus alpha beta conjugate. Is it clear? So, what we are using here conjugate of z and its conjugate again is equal to z. Now, just multiplying plus upon this one with this one. Now, negative of beta positive. Now, what this becomes when we are multiplying? Alpha conjugate beta conjugate. Now, again square upon 1 minus conjugate of alpha beta now here again what properties we have used if we are having z times conjugate of z with conjugate of z is equal to square, same property which we have used right in the beginning. Okay. So, what we are having alpha conjugate is equal to square beta conjugate is equal to beta square and it is given 1 here. So, we are having 1 minus upon this one, or let me use with the another side with a separate ink. this is equal to 1 minus now we can't change this one, nothing is given to us, upon 1 plus, because modulus of beta is already 1, so this is equal to 1, same terms cancels. Okay, so we are having 1 as a answer, even you can write it like this. Okay, so this cancels with this one and we are left with 1. Hence answer.